Hello. This is Sistema KAI. Start the game design curriculum story lecture. I would appreciate it if you press subscribe and like before the lecture begins. This time, I will explain how to design MMORPG system structure and data table. Please understand that I am trying to explain step by step, as it may be too extensive to explain all at once.
Welcome to my party, we're just getting started. A life is a dream or a nightmare scarring. Hand me a drink cause I think I'm going all in. Get me a shrink who can catch me when I'm falling. Cover up my scars, flip the handlebar.
My name is Clara. I think the system has the most basic position in game planning. This is because it is a form of community, PV, PvP, content, etc. centered on system planning. Isabella, who is proud to be more expert than me, will explain system planning.
Say my name is Isabella. Are you trying to become a system planner? My head hurts a bit. Are you okay? Don't do anything else and let me listen. Won't you explain twice? Basic competencies required for system planning. A. You should be able to distinguish between server and client, right? B. You should know how to use it according to the data type, right? C. You should also know how to distinguish the data stored in the game DB and account DB. D. In order to create a data table, I think we need to know what the PK is called the internal data key and the FK is called the external data key. It is said that the other sisters will explain a little more details, so don't just look at them, listen carefully.
Say my name is Lucia. What I'm going to explain is the basic part. I'll explain how the server and client are clearly distinguished. Listen carefully, isn't it difficult? The client just needs to understand that the GUI, character, world, effect sound, etc. displayed on the screen belong to the client data. The server exchanges data between multiple clients and stores things to be stored in the account DB. I think you can think of it as an area that handles events and real-time notices going on the server. Now you understand what a client does and what a server does, right?
Say my name is Chloe. The part 1 will explain is about the data type of the data. Int means integer type data. Float means real data. String means string data. In general, indexes defined in data tables do not use integer data. For reference, it is important to know that the computer recognizes even 0 as one data type for integer data types. In general, indexes defined in data tables do not use integer data. For reference, it is important to know that the computer recognizes even 0 as one data type for integer data types. Remember that string is used as the data type for almost everything that can be represented as text in the game. Because the text expressed in the character name, title, UI, etc. all belong to the string data type.
Say my name is Camila. It's already my turn, ho ho. It is necessary to first understand the concept of what a game DB and an account DB are. You can think of the game DB as the basic rules that are operated in the content or system and the data that is initially set. You can understand the account DB as the data information stored in the account you create when you start the game. So, let me give you a problem here. Imagine creating a beautiful female character like me. And imagine that Camilla hunted Coraline, who looked like a mob, and killed Coraline. In which DB are the items and experience that Coraline drops when she dies? If you can figure this out, are you a genius? Or a prodigy sent from heaven? Would it be? Ho ho! What is saved in the account DB you created, and what is saved in the game DB? Did you get the hang of it? Are you curious? Just bare-mouthed?
Say my name is Eve. I think the unis explained it well to increase the simple concept and understanding of system planning. Next time, I will explain a little more about system planning with an example of item strengthening system. Do you get sick if you eat too much at once? Please look forward to the next time. Up until now, it was Sistema KAI's older brothers vertubers, Coraline, Clara, Isabella, Lucia, Chloe, Camilla, and I, Eve. Don't forget to hit subscribe and like. See you next time.